Palabiro lang ako mga ka-Marichef at patawa-tawa lang lately, pero deep inside nanginginig na talaga ako sa takot. At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, kamusta na tayo mga ka-Marichef? Kaya pa ba natin? Ang hirap ng diskarte lately. Kapag pumunta ka sa bagsakan or main source, makakatipid ka sa per kilo rate ng mga cost of goods, pero hindi ka makakatipid sa gasolina. Pag gusto mo magtipid ng gasolina at nag-bulk buying ka at nag-stock ka, hindi ka naman makakatipid sa kuryente. At ayun na nga, nagtaas din talaga ang presyo ng lahat ng bilihin. Kahit pumunta ka sa pinakamurang palengke, pinakamurang grocery, or sa membership shopping, mamimili ka na lang talaga, liliitan ko ba yung serving portion? Titipirin ko ba yung quality ng ingredients? Ano ang isa-sacrifice? Ano ang i-compromise? Ang hirap. Yung kausap ko nga sa team namin ngayon is ang pinaka-solusyon namin ay talagang dadamihan yung tanggap ng luto. Kasi masyadong mahal yung mga cost of goods lately. So kahit kumukota kami, kung kakaiba naman yung amount ng sinespend namin sa cost of goods, wala rin, hindi rin kumita, 'di ba? Paano ko pasasahurin ang team? Kaya sa March 28 mga ka-Marichef, magkita-kita tayo sa Pampanga at maglalako ako ng food. Gagawin ko talaga ang lahat. Ilalaban natin ito mga ka-Marichef. Palagi ko sinasabi sa sarili ko, this is just a temporary setback. And syempre, lagi ko rin nire-remind yung sarili ko para hindi ako magkaroon ng anxiety attack na I am in a better position and the problem right now is nothing compared to what others are going through. Kaya grateful pa rin tayo kasi mga ka-Marichef lately actually, yung mga suki namin, nagbabalikan sila. Ayan. So I know a lot of people are going through the same thing that I am going through, na nasa same industry. I will share something that my aunt sent me. Faith is not proven only in seasons of strength. Sometimes it is revealed in the quiet endurance of tired days. There are moments when your heart wants to pray, but your mind feels foggy. Sometimes the most sacred prayer is simply, Lord, I am tired. And that is enough. Because your relationship with God is not sustained by your strength. It is sustained by His. When you feel spiritually dry, He is the living water. When you feel weak, He is your strength. When you feel distant, He is near. So if today your faith feels quiet, rest in this truth. God is not measuring your passion. He is holding your heart. Let Him carry what you cannot lift. Let Him sit with you in the silence. Let Him love you without the conditions. Ang ganda nito mga ka-Marichef. You are not falling behind spiritually. You are being sustained. And even in your tiredness, He is closer than you think. Wait lang, naiyak ako. Dahil nga doon sa pinadala ng tita ko na yun, nakabuo ako ng parang na-answer yung prayer ko. I have made a very unpopular and brave decision within our team na hindi ko titipirin at hindi ko babaguhin yung ingredients, hindi ko babawasan yung quality at portion ng mga party trays namin. Magsusumikap, maghahanap ng mas maraming kliyente, tatanggap, hahabaan ng working hours, tsatsagain ko talaga to. Magtitiwala na God will provide. He will sustain and that He is a very, very good provider. Hindi niya ako pababayaan, nagbabayad ako ng tuition ng mga anak ko, buhat ko, mga empleyado ko, salo ko yung mama ko, andito yung asawa ko para tulungan ako. God is protecting me by removing toxic people who want to get instead of help. Kaya pag umibig tayo, mga ka-Marichef, tayo ay masustansya. Ngayon, halo-halo na yung emosyon sa aking voiceover. Lakas mga bipolar. Diyos ko day, ang hirap maging negosyante, pero mas mahirap yung sitwasyon ng mga taong nasa kalagitnaan ng giyera. Kaya wag natin silang kalimutan mga ka-Marichef, ipagdasal at naway matapos na tong dilubyo na pinagdadaanan ng ating mundo. If you are watching this and you are at the brink also of giving up, just continue cooking. Huwag tayong titigil. Magluto lang tayo ng magluto. Hindi tayo bibigyan ng gantong sitwasyon para basta lang sumuko. Lalo nating titibayan ang kapit kay Lord. At kahit tayo ay nagigipit, huwag tayong tumigil, tumulong sa mga taong nangangailangan. Alam nyo, marami rin akong nakukuhang bashing. Dinidelete ko lang sa comments kasi ayoko siyang mabasa. I am not a strong person as what you guys see online. Actually, mahina ang loob ko. Mabilis akong mapanghinaan ang loob, mabilis akong umiyak, mabilis akong ma-discourage. And I lose confidence when I read comments that are trying to degrade what I am doing or bashing me about my price. And it's my clients who actually confirm and verify that the food that we produce, that we cook with all of our strength and our heart and mind, the product that they bought and paid for with their hard-earned money is sobrang sulit daw. Kaya doon ako nakafocus because that is my truth in my world. Kaya nagdesisyon ako na tuloy pa rin ang laban mga kamare chef at same products, prices, and items pa rin ang i-release ng Spandis. So ayun lang mga kamare chef. Bye-bye!